Welcome to Don't Get Wrecked. I'm a crypto enthusiast since 2013 and the web developer behind buybitcoinsmart.com. Today, I'll be showing you how to buy Bitcoin in Macao. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose the exchange. To begin, go to buybitcoinsmart.com, type in Macao or click the link below and you'll see a list of all the best exchanges to buy Bitcoin in Macao. Choose an exchange that suits your needs. Step 2. Register and KYC. This process involves providing your personal information and verifying your identity. Step 3. Deposit fiat and buy Bitcoin. This process is different depending on which exchange you chose, so make sure to follow their instructions. And thanks for watching. Make sure to click the link below to see the updated list of all the best exchanges in Macao. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll never miss a new video and can continue to learn more about crypto. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest trends in crypto, earn free crypto, airdrops, DeFi, NFTs and more, be sure to join the Don't Get Wrecked Academy. Link below.